guys, I'm out here today, and today I want to make an area for a zip line. What I want to do is from one of those trees, either this tree or the tree behind it, and I want to go all the way down there. I don't think you can see the tree, but it's where those pallets are. So I'm going to have to clear everything in between. That's what I'm going to do today. Because as I'm out here doing everything, I need to have fun. And how can you go on a zip line and not have fun? And I have this fire going where the original cluster was that I cut down beginning of summer. Hopefully burn those stumps down a little bit. And I was out here a couple days ago, and where those tarps are, I had another fire, but half of it wasn't covered, and so it's all covered now. So yeah, now I got it. There's the tree way back there. You could hopefully see it now. But yeah, I got to clear everything in between, and then I have to measure so I know how long it's got to be, and then we're gonna have a zip line. So let's see what I got to do. That's the one ideally I would like to use. So I'm gonna have to trim all those lower branches. These right here, those guys back there, I'm gonna have to cut those down. We'll go across here. And these trees right here, I'm gonna have to cut. And I really didn't want to fall anymore this time of year. If it's gonna mean more fun, then heck yeah. And see, there's the tree right there underneath those pallets. I don't want to cut this one right here because it's not an alder. These are, but it's kind of tricky. I got that fallen tree hung up there, and these are big. So I got to be smart about this. I got my chaps down here, and I got the hard hat. But I just can't mess up because it'll be the last mistake I make if I do. So let me just think about this and then see how we're going to tackle it. I've trimmed some of it with my pruners, and I'm going to cut some of them. I'm going to have to come back another day or have someone else do it because I'm at a slant. So I'm not in the safest spot to be using a chainsaw. But I'm at least going to cut enough to get a visual so I can measure properly to see how long of a zip line I have to order. No spiders, please. Fudge you. Just throw some of these out of the way so I can see what I'm working with, and so it'll be safer, less stuff to fall on. Hey, please. Thank you. Not a good throw. This tree's pretty dry, so I hope it'll be sturdy enough. Fudge. Yeah, they're just snapping, so it's pretty dry. But let's see. Going to cut one more for now. This guy right here. Alright, I'm going to go throw these on the fire, and then we'll keep moving down. I got excited and I didn't analyze everything because I was going to trim those bushes right there by that tree. Then I'm like, it's not going to be a smooth shot, but then I would have to clear all of that still. So I'm thinking I might do that tree right there, the smaller one that I was going to do it first, because all this will be clear. I'll Probably have to cut that tree down, which I don't want to because it's not an alder, it's a pine or cedar. I don't know, I just know it's a good one. And yeah, I started clearing this in here with the hedge trimmer, and I'm like, yikes. So I just wanted to analyze it, and I think I might do the smaller tree. And I'll clear this because that big tree back there, that's my goal, because that's a nice solid tree. Now I'm gonna go stand from there and we'll see. The tree that the end of the zip line's gonna go on. So I see what I'm gonna have to clear. This brush here, which I don't think will be too bad, but I don't want to have to clear the side of that hill this time of year unless I have to. So I'm probably going to tackle these here, maybe drop a couple of those smaller trees since I still have my chaps on. So that's probably what we'll do. Let's go drop some smaller trees that I don't have to worry too much about. These little guys right here, they got to come down. That's gonna swing back and get me. Which side am I gonna cut it from? I need more than just a hard hat. I need like a face mask. Shiza. Nothing simple for me. I think 2 little trees is gonna be not bad. I don't know if this is going to do much, but I'll feel a little safer. One down, one to go. I don't want that any. Try it. Maybe it'll be a shield. I like having that for me as a shield. Cut these guys up. Well, we'll go to this one down here. That was luck. Like, that wasn't skill that I didn't get hurt there. I never know what to expect. If you remember last time, I had a pile of all that brush and I put a tarp over it, so I was able to get rid of that. And I want to cut down that little baby tree. Then I'm going to run the 100-foot tape measure to see how long of a steel wire I need to order. Baby guy down. Hopefully it doesn't hit the GoPro. Okay, just a little baby tree. So I'm gonna get rid of this and then we'll see how, ooh, if they'll let me. Don't hurt me up with the hard hat. Thank you. I gotta add a couple inches because the nail's not all the way in, but let's see how long we're gonna need. I got a stick. See if I'm gonna have to do this in sections. What are we at right now? Ooh, shiza. Only halfway there, nice. Sorry, got some obstacles there. 50 feet. We gotta go right there. The thing I'm worried about the most is once I get it to make it tight enough. That's what I saw in reviews and videos of people having difficulties making the chain tight. Where are we at? Oh, 10 more feet to go, then I'll mark it. I want it tight so I know. Ooh, 100. Hang on. Let's make it tight. It's right here. Will be 100. If it will fit. There we go. So I gotta unnail it and then nail it to that tree. And there's the marker right there. So if I get 150, I'll probably be safe. But I have to also count width of the trees. Saying it's only 140. Yeah, because that was 140. And I know each tree's not 20 feet around, so I'll be pretty good. I'm probably gonna order one. I still have some prep to do. I gotta clear this stuff, cut some of those trees down, because once I get it, I'm gonna want to just start right away.